How to check analog input in ABB ACS550 drive? First, connect a open wire to 10 volt and go to the parameter number. Press enter button, press down button, press enter button, 01 group, press enter button, press up key and go to the parameter number 0120. 0120 is analog input 1. Press enter button 2 times. Now it shows 0%. Connect 10 volt wire to analog input 1. Then you see 99.9%, which means analog input received near about 10 voltage. When you remove wire, it shows 0%. So if your value change in 0 to 100%, that means your analog input is okay. Press exit button, press up button, press enter button 2 times. 0121 parameter is analog input 2. Repeat same process. Connect 10 volt wire in AI2. You can see here show 100%, which means your analog input is okay. Now your analog input 1 and analog input 2 is checked. Press exit button, go to the main display.